The year is 2026. Deep within Abilene, Texas, the laws of industrial scale are being rewritten. This is Stargate AI, a $500 billion titan, 1.2 gigawatts of concentrated power. To build this, engineers must move 2 million cubic meters of high-density reinforced concrete. This is the most expensive infrastructure project in human history, dwarfing the Apollo program and the International Space Station combined. Every structural steel beam is laser-aligned to a tolerance of 0.5 millimeters. At this scale, even Earth's curvature must be factored into the blueprint. We are looking at 5,000 heavy-duty construction vehicles operating in a synchronized industrial ballet, guided by real-time GPS positioning. The foundation is embedded with 50,000 thermal sensors, monitoring the hydration heat of the concrete to prevent microscopic structural fatigue. Beneath this dust lies a 50-kilometer network of utility arteries, carrying high-voltage superconducting cables and high-pressure cooling lines. The sheer heat generated by the future AI logic will be enough to boil a lake. Engineering the thermal dissipation is our greatest challenge. Strategic logistics ensure that every module is manufactured off-site and precision-fitted here, reducing assembly time by 40%.
This massive facility, which you can see taking shape behind me, represents a huge investment in the city's infrastructure.
This facility isn't just housing chips. It's protecting the most advanced NVIDIA Blackwell clusters ever assembled, shielded from every external vibration. The HVAC systems here are massive, capable of filtering air particulates down to 0.1 microns, ensuring a pure environment for the optical interconnects. Look at the anti-vibration damping layers. This composite flooring isolates the machines from seismic activity and industrial resonance. 500 kilovolt substations are already active, converting raw grid power into the clean, steady current required by the AI racks. But electricity is only half the story. Now we enter the core to witness the birth of the world's most advanced liquid cooling system. Entering the inner sanctum, here we encounter the NVL-72 rack system, the core computational unit of Stargate's intelligence. Each rack weighs over 1.3 tons. They are handled by automated guided vehicles to prevent any micro vibrations during the docking process. Inside these racks lie the NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs. Each chip features 208 billion transistors, etched with extreme ultraviolet lithography. Connecting these chips is the NVLink switch system, providing a staggering 130 terabytes per second of internal bandwidth. Observe the high-purity copper cold plates. They are machined to a flatness tolerance of 0.01 millimeters for maximum heat transfer. The interconnects use over 3 kilometers of specialized optical fiber per rack, all routed by high-speed robotic threading machines. Technicians in ISO 1 clean suits monitor the installation. Every connector is inspected via 8K digital microscopy for microscopic contaminants. The electrical bus bars are made of aerospace-grade silver-plated copper, capable of handling surges that would melt standard industrial wiring. A total of 30,000 such racks will be interlinked. The sheer density of silicon here is unparalleled in any civilian facility. Each Blackwell die is protected by a diamond-like carbon coating to ensure longevity under constant high thermal stress. The assembly line utilizes AI-driven visual inspection, identifying a misaligned pin in less than 5 milliseconds. Notice the specialized manifold system. It distributes dielectric fluid directly to the chip surface, bypassing traditional air cooling limits. To power this silicon forest, the internal DC bus runs at 48 volts, optimized to minimize conversion losses and heat buildup. The magnetic shielding around these corridors is thick enough to stop electromagnetic pulses from disrupting the AI's neural weights. This is where data becomes thought. But the energy required to sustain this process is truly staggering. Let's look at the flow. At 1.2 gigawatts, air cooling is a physical impossibility. To prevent a meltdown, Stargate utilizes a massive industrial-scale liquid cooling loop. The primary piping network is constructed from high-grade 316L stainless steel, chosen for its extreme resistance to corrosion and pressure. Every joint is welded using orbital TIG technology, ensuring a seamless interior surface to prevent turbulent flow and cavitation. The system circulates a specialized dielectric fluid, engineered to absorb heat 4 times more efficiently than standard distilled water. Massive centrifugal pumps, each the size of a small truck, drive the coolant at a rate of 500,000 liters per minute across the campus. These pumps utilize magnetic bearings to eliminate friction, ensuring 24/7 operation for decades without mechanical failure. The heat exchangers are colossal. They use titanium plates to transfer thermal energy from the internal loops to the external cooling towers. Advanced flow sensors monitor every branch of the network. A pressure drop of even 0.01% triggers an immediate automated shutoff. To handle thermal expansion, engineers installed massive bellows and expansion joints that can absorb meters of movement in the piping. The cooling towers on the roof are a masterpiece of aerodynamics, designed to reject gigawatts of heat into the atmosphere efficiently. Notice the vacuum-jacketed insulation. It prevents any condensation from forming near the sensitive Blackwell server racks. Secondary cooling loops use a double containment design, an extra layer of security to ensure not a single drop touches the silicon. The system is managed by a dedicated AI controller, predicting heat spikes milliseconds before the computational load even hits the chips. Vibration dampers are installed at every pump station to prevent mechanical resonance from traveling through the structure to the GPUs. This hydraulic marvel is the only reason Stargate doesn't incinerate itself. But where does the power for these pumps come from? A 1.2 gigawatt demand cannot rely on the public grid alone. To fuel Stargate, we are deploying a fleet of small modular reactors, or SMRs. Each SMR is a marvel of factory-built engineering, designed to be transported by rail and assembled on-site with surgical precision. The reactor pressure vessel is forged from a single block of low-alloy steel, capable of withstanding extreme neutron radiation for 60 years. Unlike traditional plants, SMRs use passive safety systems. They rely on natural convection to cool the core in the event of a total power loss. The fuel rods contain TRISO particles, tiny kernels of uranium triple encapsulated in ceramic layers, making them virtually indestructible. We are witnessing the installation of the primary containment dome, a multi-layer shield of lead, steel, and high-density boron-loaded concrete. The steam generators utilize helical coil designs to maximize surface area, converting nuclear heat into high-pressure kinetic energy. Massive turbine generators spin at 3,600 revolutions per minute. Their rotors balance to a tolerance thinner than a human hair to prevent vibration. The electrical switchyard acts as the brain, routing power through gas-insulated lines to minimize the footprint and electrical arcing. Every nuclear component is tracked by a digital twin, a real-time virtual model that predicts maintenance needs years in advance. To handle the massive amperage, the facility uses superconducting busbars cooled by liquid nitrogen, reducing transmission waste to zero. Shielded control rooms house the operators, who monitor the core stability through redundant fiber optic neural networks. This energy independence ensures that Stargate remains operational even if the entire national grid faces a catastrophic failure. With the power secured and the cooling flowing, the stage is set for the most delicate operation, the final automated assembly.
The vibrations you see are evidence of the immense forces at play as this massive structure is hoisted into place.
We have entered the ISO 1 clean room. At this level, a single speck of dust is a catastrophic contaminant to the Stargate core. Human presence is minimized. The assembly is handled by a 6-axis robotic swarm, operating with a repeatability of 5 microns. The robots utilize soft-touch tactile sensors, allowing them to handle delicate Blackwell modules without scratching the gold interconnects. Each server blade is scanned by a high-speed LiDAR system to verify its 3D geometry before it is slotted into the master rack. Watch as the thermal interface material is applied. It's a precision-dispensed liquid metal compound with zero room for air pockets. The assembly floor uses maglev transport tracks. Modules float on magnetic cushions to eliminate friction-based particle generation. Robotic welders now execute micro-TIG joints on the liquid cooling manifolds, ensuring the system is hermetically sealed. Air pressure inside this hall is kept positive. Any leak pushes air out, preventing outside pollutants from ever entering the zone. Real-time AI vision systems inspect every screw torque. If a bolt is off by even 0.1 Newton meter, the process is instantly paused. The integration of the InfiniBand networking cables is a masterpiece of cable management, handled by specialized threading robots. Every connection is double-checked by an automated X-ray inspection unit, looking for internal structural defects in the silicon substrate. The sheer silence of this room is eerie. Only the faint hum of magnetic actuators and the pulse of the air filtration system. We are looking at the hot aisles containment units being sealed. These will channel the 100-degree exhaust air directly into the heat recovery system. Engineers monitor the entire swarm from a glass-walled command center, adjusting the AI's assembly logic on the fly. With the hardware assembled, we move to the most brutal phase of the project: stress testing and structural verification. The hardware is assembled, but the battlefield is physics. We now begin the extreme stress testing phase of the Stargate core. First, the thermal shock test. We cycle the internal temperature from -20 to 80 degrees Celsius in under 3 minutes. This verifies that the expansion joints and the 316L stainless steel pipes can handle the rapid expansion without microfracturing. Next is the vibration stress test. Massive hydraulic shakers simulate seismic activity to ensure every Blackwell module stays seated. We utilize acoustic sensors to detect coil whine or high-frequency resonance that could indicate a future electronic failure. Now, the helium leak test. We flood the cooling lines with helium and use mass spectrometers to find leaks at the atomic level. A single drop of moisture in this environment is a death sentence. Humidity sensors are calibrated to detect a change of 0.1%. Observe the power surge test. We intentionally trigger a grid fluctuation to verify the millisecond response of the SMR backup systems. Digital twins run parallel simulations, comparing real-time sensor data with the theoretical maximum of the engineering design. Every optical interconnect is tested with high-intensity laser pulses to ensure zero signal degradation over the 50-kilometer network. The magnetic shielding is verified using Gauss meters, ensuring the massive power draw doesn't create interference for the AI's logic. Engineers perform red team hardware failures, pulling power cables mid-operation to see if the AI self-heals the data path. Thermal cameras scan the racks, looking for hot spots that could indicate a failure in the liquid metal thermal interface. The data is clear. The structure is holding. We have pushed the limits of materials science and emerged with a stable Titan. With testing complete, we move to the final integration, the moment where millions of chips become a single living mind. 0 hour. The integration phase begins. We are now initializing the optical backbone that links 1 million Blackwell GPUs into a single fabric. The primary challenge is synchronization. A clock skew of even a few picoseconds across the 50-kilometer network can collapse the entire training model. Atomic clocks, synchronized via satellite, provide the heartbeat. Every data packet is time-stamped with absolute precision. We are now flooding the InfiniBand network. Witness the massive surge as 40 terabits of data per second begin to pulse through the fiber. The liquid cooling pumps ramp up to maximum RPM. The dielectric fluid is now absorbing gigajoules of thermal energy every minute. Observe the neural initialization. This is the first time the AI weights are loaded into the distributed HBM3E memory across the campus. The power draw spikes instantly to 1.1 gigawatts. The SMR control rods adjust automatically to maintain the delicate neutron balance. Look at the status LEDs on the rack manifolds. The transition from amber to steady white indicates successful handshake across all clusters. Unexpected resonance detected in Hall 4. The AI controller immediately micro-adjusts the pump frequency to cancel out the vibration. This is the make-or-break moment. If the thermal interface fails now, the silicon will incinerate in less than 300 milliseconds. Thermal cameras show a perfect uniform glow. The liquid metal compound is performing flawlessly, pulling heat away at record speeds. The backbone interconnect is now fully saturated. Stargate is no longer a collection of servers, it is a single, massive computational mind. Engineers monitor the error correction logs. The system is self-heals, rerouting data around minor hardware latencies in real time. The internal magnetic fields have stabilized. The Gauss meters confirm that the lead-boron shielding is containing the massive electrical flux. Initialization complete. The fortress is alive. We have achieved the first successful boot-up of the $500 billion Titan. Stargate is now operational. This $500 billion Titan isn't just a computer, it is the new backbone of the global digital economy. By concentrating 1.2 gigawatts of compute, we have reduced the cost of AI reasoning by a factor of 1,000, reshaping every industry. The heat recovery system now provides carbon-free district heating to the surrounding industrial zones, a masterclass in circular engineering. Logistics chains across the planet are now being optimized in real time by the very intelligence housed within these reinforced walls. The success of the SMR integration has set a new standard for sustainable megaprojects, decoupling massive growth from grid instability. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era where silicon manufacturing and civil engineering become one inseparable discipline. Every Blackwell rack, every cooling pipe, and every nuclear fuel rod has performed its role in this grand industrial symphony. This facility is designed to be future-proof. Its modular architecture allows for the seamless hot swapping of next-generation GPU clusters. The global supply chain for high-purity copper and optical glass has been permanently expanded to meet the demands of this fortress. Stargate stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when technical precision meets limitless vision. The Abilene site is now the most valuable square kilometer on Earth, a temple of logic forged in steel and liquid nitrogen. As the sun sets over the Texas desert, the lights of Stargate pulse with a steady, confident rhythm of a machine that never sleeps. Engineering at this scale is no longer about building structures. It's about building the future of human intelligence itself. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world's most complex manufacturing feat. The Silicon era has truly arrived.